In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Dear students, welcome to Pakistan International School Doha, Qatar, for e-learning program. Dear students, this is lecture number 1 of week number 6 for the subject of Social Studies 4, Class 5. We are in lesson number 2. Its title is World Climate. Dear students, today's topic is factors that affect climate and effects of climate in our lives. Learning objective. Students will be able to understand factors affecting world climate, explain the effects of climate, write answers of questions of worksheet. Before we proceed, let's recap briefly. What is weather and climate? First, what is weather? Weather is the day-to-day conditions of a particular place at a particular time. Second, what is climate? The climate of a given place is the average weather experienced in that place over a long period of time. Dear students, do you know the climate of all regions of the world is not same? Yes, there are different climatic regions in the world, as shown and highlighted in the map. Here different colors highlight different climatic regions. There are various factors that results in different climatic regions in the world. Let's learn these factors. Why climates of different places are different. Latitude, proximity to water, mountain ranges, elevation, ocean currents, wind, pressure belts. So, all these factors contribute in the variations in climatic regions. It is hoped, now you all will be clearer about it. Well, dear students, let's move to learn about the climate of different regions. Polar climate. A place close to the North Pole or the South Pole is very cold throughout the year. As we know, at poles north and south the climate is cold, and because of this cold climate people cannot live there. If some people are living, they have to face challenging climate throughout the year. The next is tropical climate. A place close to the equator is usually very hot throughout the year. As the equatorial places are comparatively hot due to direct sunlight, so the daily temperature and the climate of this region is hot throughout the year. Dear students, what are effects of climate? Brainstorm and recall the effects of climate in our lives. What are the effects of climate in our day-to-day lives? Yes, I hope you will have some points in your mind. Very good. Let's discuss these in detail. Climate has a great effect on people. Climate effect. The way the people live. The clothes we wear. The way we spend our leisure time. The games we play. Our movement and migration. Our construction of building. So, by looking at the images, these points will be clearer. Well, students, let's learn in some other way. In a warm climate, people can take part in outdoor and water sports. Students, look at the pictures shown. How kids are enjoying outdoor games and also water games. So, in such regions where climate is warm, people enjoy outdoor activities and games. In a cold climate, people can still take part in outdoor sports, but they mostly prefer to stay indoors and enjoy indoor games. Students, look at the pictures shown. How kids are enjoying outdoor games. Indoor games can be played with a room or in a large hall in group forms. So, in such regions where climate is cold, people enjoy indoor activities and games and spend their leisure time. In some parts of the world, where there is a lot of rainfall and many trees, People use wood to make their houses. Here as highlighted, people used to construct their houses and other building by using wood. The rainfall and the whole climate affect the people to have special arrangements for their houses. Dear students, again, brainstorm for few seconds. That. Does climate affect our agriculture? Yes, very good. Please recall and focus on it. Well, you are very right, that, yes, climate affects our agriculture. Let's learn in detail how climate affects agriculture. Some crops grow well in a cold climate. Others grow well in warm climate. Wheat grows well in milder climates. Rice grows in warm, wet and tropical climates. These two crops are most important food of people in different part of the world. The food habits of people depend on the crops that are grown locally. Here in these images, the influence or effect of climate is highlighted. These images highlight the effects of climate on the clothes we wear. As show here, people are wearing different clothes due to different climatic conditions. Dear students, here in this picture, the effect of climate on the animals, birds, trees and plants is shown. As due to climatic difference, different plants, animals, birds or trees are in different regions of the world. In this picture, the effect of climate on our living habits and construction style is shown. We can get the idea of different style of building in different regions of the world because of the variation in climatic conditions. This was all about today's lecture. Dear students, if you have any question, ask from your subject teacher. Thank you for being attentive. See you all in our next session. And take care. Allah Hafiz.